All right, here we go, guys. This is the Patty Kane net cord for Dave. 5 or higher dice roll. 2 dice roll, 5 or higher. Person on top wins the card. 10 spots. That's the card. Good luck. We are live. Live at 10:04. 10:04. All right, we'll roll a 2-sided die here, or 2 dice. It's taking its sweet time. And it says error. Let's try that again. There you go, 6 times. Or 7 times, sorry. Can't do math. Dice roll is 7. Good luck, guys. Timestamps after 6 and 7. First random. Really? Second random. Third. Fourth. 5th. 6th. First timestamp. First timestamp is in at 10:05. 10:05. 7th and final time. Winner of the card is... Come on. Anytime. There you go. Gatane, spot number 4. Congratulations. Get your information over to Dave, and he'll get that card out to you. I probably butchered your name. Sorry about that. Final timestamp is in at 10:06. 10:06. We went 7 times, as the dice roller said. Congrats to Gatane. Already topped. There you go, guys. Have a good rest of your night. Cheers.